What if your life is being controlled by a hidden program? The most dangerous program is the one you don't even know is running. Your hidden program began long before you knew how to think. Parents, teachers, and society, after hearing it for years, you started calling it. Not every belief in your mind actually belongs to you. Every belief has an origin, but not every belief deserves to stay. Before believing any thought, ask yourself, who taught this? A belief repeated for years still doesn't become a fact. The moment you question a belief, your hidden program begins to break. Every unconscious reaction reveals a hidden program. The moment you observe your mind, you stop being controlled by it. Awareness begins when you question yourself before judging the world. The moment you question a belief, it stops controlling your life. Awareness isn't changing your mind, it's seeing how your mind works. The moment you become aware, you gain the power to choose. Awareness doesn't erase your programming, it's the greatest freedom begins when you stop living on autopilot. Change your inner program and your outer world. Rewrite your hidden and you'll rewrite your life.